Right, 100 Spartans sinani babukela emakhaya. Sinaye lapha ubhuti wethu ileader yabantu abasha uCIC uSmera. I-question enkulu esinayo namhlanje njengoba asuka ku-ANC aya ku-SDP Service Delivery Party. Uchazile, ukhulumile ama-reasons nawo wonke, but then thina namhlanje la e-studio sinombuzo oyi-1. Umbuzo lesinawo for ubhuti wethu ukuthi okay, we understand uyasuka ku-ANC CIC uyasuka ku-ANC uya ku-SDP injalo musa.
Yeah, injalo. Yeah, correct.
Right.
Yeah, 100%. I'm sure ngibona plaza
Usithupha.
Phezulu.
Isibo phezulu. Uhambile siyafuna. Okay. Manje yazi inkinga enkulu CIC i1 ukuthi sibonile like eminyakeni endlulile embalwa masikhuluma ngeminyaka embalwa sikhuluma 10 years sikhuluma even nge 2 years 3 years 4 years 5 years angasena iminyaka embalwa kuba khona isimo sokuthi mhlambe inhlangano entsha ebizwa ngokuthi MK Party umkhonto wesizwe party iyafomeka mayifomeka kanje like ama members amaningi aye asuka from ANC.
Correct.
Aya ku MK Party.
Yes.
You understand?
Yes.
I-ANC lapho ibe nenkinga nyana encane ukuthi okay, we've lost members abaserious from ku-ANC.
Correct.
Yes. Wenzeka lo kwenzakalako baphusha wabokhona abo-GNU nani understand? Okay, fine. Kwabakhona inhlangano ekuthiwa yi-Labour Party. I-Labour Party. I-Labour Party ama-members amaningi okanye abantu abafoma i-Labour Party ngobuningi babo bavela ku-ANC kule nhlangano ye-ANC. Still lapho i-ANC iluza ama-members, iluza abantu. Remember suka ku-MK iluze abantu ku-MK awuthi ngibe specific ku-ward lethu i-ward 29
36
manje sithiwa 36 yes ngiyabona mntaka baba. Kube khona ama-member asuka waya ku-MK kwaba khona i-Labour Party kwasuka ama-member amaningi waya ku-Labour Party. Manje kukhona i-SDP uyasuka wona njengomholi wabantu abasha njengolile abantu abasha i-Youth League i-chairperson yabantu abasha still nawo uhamba nabantu. Manje ngicela ukubuza ukuthi CIC kwenzakalani like ne-ANC yethu like kwenzakalani because manje mina ngokuya ngami hayi ngesiphatha okanye mhlambe nge-SDP or ANC like ngokuya ngami ubongani personal isiphatha i-ANC isifole ngaphansi uthini kulowo bhuti omkhulu?
Yeah, one, I think it's painful ukuyibona inhlangano yabantu abamnyama ifika kulezinga esifike kiyo just because of the arrogance.
Yes.
There's too much arrogance.
Yes.
When a self-enrichment that has caused a problem within the organization. It's painful moyibona inhlangano historically. So in Africa, not only in South Africa, history ANC, it's rich, its policies are good. Even the constitution of it is good, but then the arrogance of the leadership, that's a problem because of what you see on paper compared to what you see on the ground. It's not only EMK, SDP, Labour Party, as you've mentioned.
Yes.
Maning lama party azalwe ANC.
Yes.
Avela under the ANC. As much as we told if you go government of national unity.
Yes.
It's because of the arrogance of the leadership.
Yes.
One, but amandla semasebeni.
Yes.
Amandla semasebeni, whereby they mean with you on the ground, you are the ones and deploy abantu amandla from the ground, from the deployment with kube nabo speaker, nabo mayor, ma councillor, until the president are elected by these people who are on the ground who become useless to the leadership maseba khoni lokungena to the positions. Because while badinga manje, you need them for vote, they will be pass phezulu, babe pass phezulu, do that, and then when you win, try to accommodate them, it becomes a problem. We've seen people come and go to the ANC, we see leadership, we push on, they look push on within the organization. You understand? The issue of contesting in the organization has become a problem.
Yes.
Yeah, you can't contest to smear. Most of contest to smear. Smear must come with an ammunition to a space. If ever you comply, you understand? So yeah, look for the organization available to the ANC because of the arrogance. Yeah, even now you can go to the Facebook, check conduct of the ANC, how they are reacting. Magamba la member of SDP, but bahamba bahamba ebosala bayincane. And one vote, it's many. If one vote,
yes.
So the arrogance towards the leadership of the ANC has become a problem. So that's why you see comrades by Puma, by Hamba, and they're going to different parties, not per se to SDP only. Some they are going to ACCP. Remember, the ACCP of the ANC is going to campaign now on its own. Why? The alliance of the ANC, your campaign, the South African Communist Party.
Yes. ACCP, yes.
ACCP.
Yes.
Your contest. Our some collab. They are going to contest. Why? Lama organizations, Lama alliances are within the ANC, are contested at the same ANC. It means the arrogance in the leadership has become too much to the ground forces who makes the ANC to be bigger. Because I see the leadership in the ANC to be bigger. Because these people who vote are leading the man who does.
Yes.
So you can't stay la nungafuna khona. The arrogance in a details. Angeke ngihlale la ningafuna khona. Rather can go and seek a home somewhere.
Okay. CIC, I do understand your concern. I understand not the way ukhuluma ngakhona, but then yazi ekugcineni ngokuya ngami as ubungani ngibona ngathi abantu abasafara kakhulu yilabantu abangakhulu ukuzikhulumela.
Yeah, true.
Ngikhuluma ngale community yaseMalahleni, ngikhuluma ngale community awuthi ngibe specific ngoba manje udaba la today ila 36 or noma ngabe kuthiwa yi29. Yes, SeMalahleni ezinambeni, but then abantu abahlukumezeka kakhulu yilaba abangakhulu ukuzikhulumela. Kanti kwenzakalani lapha ku leadership because imajority la 29 bahamba ne-ANC, of course, yes. Bahamba ne-ANC.
That's true.
Yonke into abayithandayo nabayithembayo iku-ANC. But then kuba ngathi ekugcineni kuba ngathi baya misleadeka lawo bantu labo. Akusho mina. Yana sana bhuti omkhulu. Akusho masiphathens, but then kuba ngathi baya misleadeka. Wena njenge-SDP party bhuti omkhulu njengofikile. Like ama frustrations walo mphakathi wase Ward 36 or Ward 29 uwa handlisha kanjani? Because we understand ukuthi usukile ku-ANC. Like previously umuntu wena owenza sure ukuthi awufuni next ngomphakathi wakho or represent ANC umuntu we-ANC uyi-chairperson ye-youth league ku-ANC, but then manje uswitchile like all of a sudden siya-understand lokho ngokuya ngawo it's a good thing. Mhlambe angangikhulume kakhulu, but then sengibuzele ukuthi ama frustrations walo mphakathi phela you must remember unabantu nawe eba behind you.
True.
Abanye bakhona beba behind you because bazi ukuthi uku-ANC.
Yes, that's true.
Yes, manje ushiftile manje basekhona baloyal, bakhona baloyal, of course. Yeah, basahamba nawo. Yes, bahamba nawo, then manje ushintshe iskipa, ushintshe even inhlangano. Like labantu labo ubabeka bhuti omkhulu. Yini obasemsayo namhlanje?
No, the issue is service delivery.
Yes.
That's why you find ourselves, you find us joining this organization called Service Delivery Party.
Yes.
which strictly it will pay attention
Yes.
to service delivery that is been poor to the society okhuluma ngayo.
Yes.
The society esihleli has been affected by service delivery, but meanwhile projects are there.
Yes.
But were affected by service delivery.
Yes.
Engafiki kithi.
Yes.
Esukayo leka masipala, but it doesn't attract or come to us as much as thina simesibhekele development to develop indawo ekiyo, because the intention for projects,
yes,
because I don't want to stick much to projects,
yes,
as like
yes.
I don't want to be like specific like Sambela mo project to the ANC, you understand, yes. But Sambela the conduct, yes, you understand, how do you conduct the service delivery that needs to come to people, the voters who vote,
abantu bafunani. Yes.
That's why earlier I said the public participation.
Yes.
It's a critical point.
Yes.
A public participation, because you can't come with a project or come up with a development and not involve the society that is there.
Yes.
You understand?
Yes.
Because you are able to babies and shows in this.
Yes.
Bakutshela ukuthi thina sifuna usenzele into eso, then when you go and prepare ukuthi kule project yona yini ongakwenza. And then masobuya nalezi zinto abazicelile, especially 29, they've been, yes, crying about sewer.
Yes.
Other portions awana months.
Yes.
We understand?
Yes.
The service has been poor to them. People are suffering. Mabangana manzi, they go a distance to fetch water. If ever a corner awana manzi, then people, they don't have water. You understand? Then people, they are tired, bakupile, like machartin, aba flash. It's service delivery law. We are using internet because people sebakatele nimla establish or implement. Solo abantu bayahlala aba flash till today. Abanye solo bafika impumelelweni abawazi amanzi. That's service. We understand. Izindlela esamba kizo bonds. Izindlela esamba kizo angeke uhambe la kizo lezi ndlela lezi. This time kuzizimvula it will be worse. You understand? It will be worse. It will be worse. The community will suffer because of izindlela ezingahambeki even in the current stage.
Ama authorities are aware.
One, ayikho into that esike engathi mangihleli ngibheka. You see kamasipala, they are strategical portfolios, yes, that are important, that are the backbone of masipala, especially, yes, the technical one.
Yes.
Technical services. Technical services whereby you deal with water, you deal with izindlela, you deal